Hi, this is Yuran, founder and visionary of Unpain Clinic. If you have been in pain for minimum 3 months and you have tried any other form of therapy like physiotherapy, acupuncture, massage, chiropractic, and still didn't solve your main concern, we are actually here to help. We help people that have been in pain for minimum 3 months and have tried everything else. If you're somebody that just got injured, yes, we can still help you, but we recommend to go and try other options like physio, chiro, acupuncture, massage, and if they help, great. But if you already went through that, then we can actually help you a lot with True Shockwave. So True Shockwave, it's actually the strongest therapy in medicine for regeneration of any tissue in the body, from the skin to the bone. So it helps people that have muscle problem, joint problem, tendon problems. And the way how True Shockwave helps is that it breaks down scar tissues adhesions up to 12 centimeters deep in the body, like over 4 inches. And it stimulates the body to create new blood vessels. It's not just actually improving local blood circulation, but triggering your body to create new capillaries in that area. So then the injured tissue get again blood supply and start repairing and regenerating. And then as a result of that, it triggers stem cell migration. It triggers your stem cells to come and repair whatever has been injured. And it does this virtually with no side effects. There's no downtime. And typically we aim for 3 sessions with any condition that we treat, because it doesn't make sense to go and bombard the body with treatment without giving it a chance to heal. After the first session, you might experience about a little bit soreness for 2 or 3 days or 72 hours, or it might go straight in relief. So we don't know how the body responds. You can still get or combine this with any other form of therapy. If you're somebody that you probably already thought that you had shockwave, if you had this one, the jackhammer. So the jackhammer, what is known in Canada as shockwave, this is not shockwave at all. This is a kinetic pressure, it's just a regular sound wave. It's still really good to treat superficial conditions. We use it a lot to reach about 2 to 3 centimeters deep, but then anytime when we need to actually get to the core of the problem, we go and use the electromagnetic shockwave or the True Shockwave. You don't feel this on the skin at all, but you feel it when it hits the bone. And then we have another guy here, the Flashwave. So we actually brought this for the first time to North America in 2019 from Germany. So when we treat you, we actually use 3 different systems. We don't look at you as pieces. We go with aim to treat the cause, not the symptoms. So we combine 3 different systems, and we do as much as your body needs and as much as the shockwave protocols allow. So if you think that this would be a good option for you, then I would like to invite you to book a free telehealth session with us, because we want to see if you actually are a candidate for our treatments. We are busy people, busy clinic. We only function pretty much based on word of mouth. I felt a personal responsibility after listening to clients every single time. If a new client comes, accidentally searching on Google and we show up and they say like, how come I did not know this option before? And I've been in pain for years. Like I had a couple clients recently with chronic lower back pain, and then after 3 sessions, they get the relief for the first time. So therefore, I'm doing this to invite you, please book free telehealth session directly with our therapist or physiotherapist and see if we can help you. Thank you.